हेलो फ्रेंड्स, केजी क्लासेस में आपका स्वागत है। आज हम आपको डिस्कवरी टुट द सागा कंटिन्यूस बाय ए.आर. विलियम्स के क्वेश्चन आंसर के बारे में बताएंगे। गिव रीजन फॉर द फॉलोइंग। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, किंग टुट्स बॉडी हैज़ बीन सब्जेक्टेड टू रिपीटेड स्क्रूटनी। आंसर, किंग टुट्स बॉडी हैज़ बीन सब्जेक्टेड टू रिपीटेड स्क्रूटनी फॉर द फॉलोइंग रीजन्स। फर्स्ट, टू रिवील द मिस्ट्री एंड गेट क्लूज अबाउट हिज लाइफ एंड डेथ। Second, to get unanswered question and precise data for an accurate forensic checkup of his body. To focus a little on treasure and more on the fascinating details of life and intriguing mysteries of death. Second question, Howard Carter's investigation was resented. Answer, Howard Carter investigation was resented because King's mummy had a great importance for the scientists to reveal the truth. The mummy's condition is in pitiable condition because of what Carter did in the 1920s, said Jahi Hawass, Secretary General of Egypt's Supreme Council of Antiquities. As she leaned over the body for a long first attempt, he began to investigate his three nested coffins. Question third, Carter had to chisel away the solidified regions to raise the king's remains. Answer, Carter had to chisel away the solidified regions to raise the king's remains. They had cemented King's body to the bottom of a solid gold coffin. After a long time, Tut's coffin was discovered. Scientists were curious to reveal the mystery, for which they wanted to do some researches. The consolidated material had to be chiseled away from beneath the limbs and trunk before it was possible to raise the king's remains. Question 4, Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures. Answer, the royal family of King Tut was very prosperous. When any member of the royal family would have died, other member of the family would bury the royal body coffin with treasures to honor them, and so the Tut's body was buried along with gilded treasures. Question 5, the boy king changed his name for Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun after Akhamen's death. A mysterious ruler named Ismenkhere appeared briefly and excited, and then a very young Tutankhaten took the throne. King Tut, as he is widely known then. The boy king soon changed his name to Tutankhaten, living image of Amun, and oversaw and restoration of the old ways. Question next, list the deed of that led Rai Johnson to describe Akhenaten as Becky. Answer, the deeds that led Rai Johnson to describe Akhenaten Becky as given below. First, he transformed a new city as a religious capital, took this title from the old city of Thebes. Second, he further solved the country by attacking Amun, a major god. He also smashed images and shut the temples of King Amun. Third, he suddenly took decision to king's worship. Next question, what were the result of the CT scan? Answer, the result of the CT scan were: A. A grey head took shape from a scratching of pixel, and the technician spun and titled it in every direction. Second, other images revealed a hand, several views of the rib cage, and a transaction of the skull. Third, C. Neck vertebrae appeared as clearly as in atomic class. Next question, list the advances in technology that have improved forensic analysis. Answer, the advances in technology that have improved forensic analysis are listed below. There have been rapid improvement in forensic technology. Advancement of X-ray and CT scan are capable to demonstrate inside parts without any damaging the body organs and the image. Through these techniques, they gave us a clear dimensional true view of the body. This technology provided concrete data for an accurate forensic reconstruction. Next question, explain the statement King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. Answer, the King Tut became the king when he was 9 years old. He ruled for 8 years and died when he was 18. The reasons about his death were unknown. To reveal the mystery of king's death, scientists found his mummy in 1922. The mummy was scanned to reveal the facts of expiring, so the King Tut is one of the first mummies to be scanned in death as in life. Talking about the text. Question, scientific intervention is necessary to unearth buried mysteries. Answer, in favor. Scientific intervention is important to unearth buried mysteries. The CT is a scientific technology which helps to reveal the uncovered regions of buried mysteries of mummies. Adding a angst. It may never be safe to be digging out the mummies. This process of finding out the bodies from the tomb may bring us unexpected disease. Question second, advanced technology gives us conclusion evidence of past events. Answer, first adding in favor. Advanced technologies like X-ray and CT scan and forensic reports give us conclusive evidence of past events. These technologies reveal the facts of natural and unnatural deaths. Heading angst. These technologies give us ideas about the events but not conclusions. They are helpful for the doctors to seek out the diseases. Next question, traditions, rituals and funerary practices must be respected. Answer, in favor. Heading है, man is a social animal. Each member is a part of society. He so has to follow the customary deeds of a society, so he follows funerary practice. He is bound with tradition, rituals and funerary practice. No doubt these must be respected. Heading है angst. In this modern or updated society, old tradition, rituals and funerary practice are not needed at all. They must be rooted out from the societies. These are harmful practices that spread ignorance in our society. Next question, knowledge about the past is useful to complete our knowledge of the world we live in. Answer, heading in favor. Information about the past events are beneficial to complete our knowledge of the world. Knowledge of the past shows the path of life and reveals the secrets of life. Heading angst. Knowledge is curse for a bad person. He uses the knowledge in performing wrong activities. Man of present has a total involvement in to interrupt natural things that is harmful for the mankind. Question है, what do you think are the reasons for the extinction of languages? Answer, the reasons for extinction of languages are: first, changing circumstances of the civilization, shortage of proper attempt and stability are main reason for extinction of languages. Question, do you think it is important to preserve language? Answer, yes, it is important to preserve language. Question, In what ways do you think we could help prevent the extinction of languages and dialects? Answer. We think we could help in preventing the extinction of language and dialects by providing proper training to open museums and teaching pupils towards them. Academic standards should be encouraged in a full swing. CT scan, computed tomography, which gives a three-dimensional virtuous body. MRI means magnetic resonance imaging. Tomography means a medical process of using X-ray for photographing in one specific plane of the body. Autopsy means examination of the body after death to find out the causes of death. Dialysis means a process of separating substances in a clear form. ECG means electrocardiogram, which produces a graphic record of electric current by heart. Postmortem means a medical examination of the body after death. Angiography means a medical examination of blood vessels through X-ray. Biopsy means tissues taken from a living body to discover a disease. Next question. Ursa Major Saptarishi Mandala means Ursa Major Saptarishi Mandala constitutes a cluster of stars. It may be seen at night from latitudes Major, Alcad, Merak, Pakda, Magraj are the names of Saptarishi Mandala. Next question. Polaris Dhruv Tara. Answer. Polaris Dhruv Tara is visible in a fixed position in northern hemisphere. Its distance from our Earth is 680 light years. It is the bright star of the constellation. Third है Pegasus winged horse. Answer. Pegasus winged horse was referred as a winged horse in Greek mythology. It was originated from the medulla's blood. Question 4. Sirius dog star. Sirius dog star shape is like a dog. It is blue-white in color. It glitters from the constellation on our Earth. Its complete rotation is of 50 years. It is far off 8.7 light years from our Earth. Fifth, Gemini Mithuna. Answer. Gemini Mithuna may be visible in the constellation of the Zodiac. Two stars, Pollux and Castor, are visible in Gemini constellation. Question. Name some leaves and flowers that are used as adornment in our country. Answer. Mango, banana, palm leaves are used as adornments in our country. Rose, marigold, daisy, jasmine are the flowers used as adornment in our country. Thanks. Best of luck.